Hi, I'm Kate Wenzel. Thanks for visiting our site. We believe that boating offers the most fun way to practice social distancing while reconnecting with family and friends. We're accustomed to greeting each customer with a handshake and a smile, but for now we're going to focus solely on that smile. Please know we are glad to see you and we are here to help you with all of your boating questions and needs. Also, for your convenience, we're able to perform many of our in-store services virtually. So take a look through our inventory, contact us by email or phone, and we'll gladly connect with you digitally in the way that's most convenient for you. We can even bring the boat to you for a private sea trial and begin the paperwork process right from your dock. It's all super simple. So click around, find the boat of your dreams, and let us do the rest. We look forward to getting you onto the water very soon. Thanks again for visiting.